Hello guys, I am going to show you how to make this beautiful handmade Rakhi. So let us begin. The materials required are foam sheet, hot glue gun, fabric glue, thread, scissors, some colorful stones and beads and scale. Take a circular foam sheet of approximately 1.5 cm radius and apply glue at the center. Start pasting the stones from the center. Begin with the smallest stones. Then keep on pasting the colorful stones afterwards in increasing size order. Keep this aside for some time to let the stones attach properly. Take a 10 cm long cardboard and start winding the thread around it. Make 6 such loops. When it's done, cut the thread. Make 3 such rolls. Now tie a knot at one of the ends. Some heavy thing at the end and start braiding the threads together. At the end, tie a knot to secure the braid. Apply hot glue to the Rakhi and paste it to the thread. Now apply some more hot glue at the back and paste a similar foam sheet at the back. Here my Fevicol was not dried, so the stones are not fixed properly. So keep it for some time to let the stones fix. Your Rakhi is ready. Please like and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.